Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please have a seat. Sir, please have a seat. Good morning, sir. Please have a seat. Yes, sir. In science, she don't score good marks. It is so silly mistakes. In science, she has written rock is made material. Answer is it is natural material. In science, she has done silly mistake. I don't know more subjects, but I know in science, I have checked the exam. It is so silly mistakes. I don't know why she has done silly mistakes. Yes, sir. And please talk to her. Then study for not for 1 hour. I'm not saying for 1 hour. Study for 10 minutes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Study for 10 minutes, but concentrate on your study. And next exam, I want full marks.